There's various ways we can improve our program, and the first one is to actually get rid of the comments that we don't want, so that we've got some administration. Obviously this will not be available to anybody who visits your site, but it's for you really. And what I mean by administration is that you can get rid of all of these comments and start all over again. To do that, we could do it in phpMyAdmin. So if you load up phpMyAdmin, and I don't suggest you do that at the moment, just watch what I'm doing. On web server 25 phpMyAdmin, if you type in your username and your password, you can get to your database, and here's the database, mine. If I press the plus symbol, it will open up, and if I click on comments, the table, now we know there's lots of comments, as you can see in here, and I can actually just issue a specific database command called SQL, which I'm going to do now, and we're going to do it in this to see what happens, and then we're going to do it programmatically in PHP. So let's start off. I'm going to issue this command. If you want to do it, go ahead, but I suggest that you just wait and do it from the program. So all I need to do is type delete from comments. So I'm just saying delete everything from the table comments, and when I press go, it's going to give me a little warning. No, in fact, it didn't even give me a warning. It says 9 rows were affected. So if I go to browse, there should now be no comments in my database, and now we see it. And if I go back to the comments page, when this updates, these will go missing. So if I just reload the page, there you go, it says it's got no comments. We're going to do that in code. So we're going to create a new file. So if we hop over to Notepad++, choose File, New, and we're going to save this straight away, File, Save As. We're going to call it clear. You can call it whatever you like, delete would be good, but I'm going to call it clear.php, and I'm going to save that file. Now I'm not going to do a lot of typing. I'm really going to go to a few of the other files and pinch the actual code. So to start off with, I'm going to pinch right the way down to line 12 here, to connect to the database, and to copy that, and I'm going to paste that into my program. So this just connects to the database, and if it can't connect, it's going to say, or it's going to say that the connection's failed, and I'm going to end my PHP there. So the next thing I really need to do is set up my SQL statement, and that's the one that we've just typed in here, like select star from comments. We did delete from comments. So that's my SQL statement. So going back to view, we had a SQL statement here. Actually, I'm going to pinch that one. Control C, pinch either one. Actually, I've not really covered this second one at the moment. I'll cover that one later. But I'm going to paste my statement in here, and then I'm going to change it. So instead of select name and comment, I'm going to put delete from comments. Now that is a database command, and that will get rid of everything that's in the database. Now I need to do a little bit of checking. Has it worked? Has it not worked? And if it has worked, report something on the screen. So I'm going to go again, and probably the populate one will be better. Yeah, I'm going to pinch these 3 lines here from if query, because I need this one, the top line, and then I'm going to change these messages a bit later. In fact, I'm going to also pinch that bottom line. So if con query is true, right the way down to con close. I'm going to copy that. If you don't want to copy it, you can type it out. So go back to my clear, and I'm going to paste that in there. And that basically is what I want. What this line really says is if there's been no errors in my statement. In other words, if it's deleted everything, it's going to say it's true. And instead of it saying new comment added successfully, I don't want that because we're not doing that. We can say deleted all the records successfully. So all records deleted successfully. And again, if there is an error, then this line will print out what the error is to the screen, and then we close the connection to the database down. And that's it. So really all I did was copy and paste from other files. The only thing I did was actually change that SQL statement and changed the message that we paste on the screen. That's it. So I'm going to save that. Now I can run this in my page directly. Let's show you how this is going to work. We'll do it a different way later. So let's go and add a few comments to my database. Name, sir, and comment. This is a comment. And post. New comment added successfully. That's good. Let's make a second one, sir, and this is. Let's just change that to another comment. Post that. And let's go and view the comments. And there we go, we've got our comments. Now, notice that the address here, Web Server 25, homepage of 17 Wilkinson KE. In the database folder, I've got a file called view.php. If instead of view, I typed clear, so I'm typing clear, that new file that I've just created, and get rid of the question mark at the end. If I press enter, that script will run, and hopefully, there we go, all records deleted successfully. And if I go back to view, click on view, it says no comments, and we've deleted all the records from the database. So that's our first major change. Over the next few videos, we're going to take a look at maybe styling the pages and making it more user friendly. And hopefully you'll enjoy what we do, but you'll need to pay attention to the lines of code that we type.